You want to say hi? That's why you've been pacing? You had enough of your girlfriend, now you want to come out and see me? Huh? Is that the deal? You had enough of Jade, now you want to come see your mama? Yeah? Hey! I missed you, Mom. You miss me? Huh? Did you miss me? Yeah? That's because you're a spoiled, rotten brat. Yes, you are. You're a spoiled, rotten snake. Is the snake out? They got the snake out? Huh? Is your buddy out? Sorry about the finger in front of the lens. I'm still learning to use the camera. Oh yeah, this is Chuy, my big ogre. Ah. So I got to see my mom. Yay, I'm back out again. Sorry about that, I was spinning the tote. There's my handsome man. That's my handsome man. Yes, I am. So I see Mom. You know, it kills me, all the stuff people say about snakes, that they have no emotions, they have no feelings. It stresses them out to take them out. That being the case, why do they beg to come out? When you give them that choice, they want to be out with you, they want to be close to you. Sorry about that, moving the camera around. But, in all seriousness, people need to stop. Don't you dare. People need to stop spreading lies about the snakes, because, you know, if they really don't want to be handled and they really don't want to be around you, they will strike and bite you. And, yeah, I just don't understand why people spread these lies about them. It's not good for them to take them out of their enclosures. It stresses them out. It makes them mean. It makes them aggressive. That's the farthest thing from the truth. If you're too lazy to handle your snakes, or too busy to, or it doesn't mean enough to you to invest quality time with them, stop making excuses for your lack of initiative and your lack of interest in giving them a good quality of life. Choo-choo! I got 2 cats over here stalking you. I got Lily over here stalking you. Don't you bop him on the head like you did Ginger. He might bite your nose. Oh, here we go. Phone time. My house is like Grand Central. Either my cell phone or my house phone's always going off. What are you doing? Get away from there, Paulo. That's my coat. Get right away. Hi, Chew. Hi, Chew. Choo choo. Lily, you don't want to bop him on the nose. You might get a surprise from him. He's a big boy. He might not be as receptive as Ginger was. Ginger's used to it, because Deeper used to do that to Ginger, but Chewy's not used to having the cats bonk him on the nose. He's used to being close to him, and he was with Deeper. He curled up and slept here on my bed, but these are new to him, so I really wouldn't trust him that far with him. Apollo, what are you doing? Hi, Apollo. What are you doing, Bao? Huh? What are you doing? And you? I think I don't see you sitting there. You better leave Chuy alone. No, no, no. You stay off that side. I don't want to put Lily in a position that she might do something stupid. There. Hey, handsome. That's my hand. Uh-oh. I'm going to get up on those shelves and knock all that junk down. He just loves my shelves. Oh, a new pillow, huh? And people think snakes don't notice things. They notice every little thing around them that's different. Sorry, I'm shaky. He's really heavy to take out. I mean, he'll come out on his own, but I still have to direct him into the plastic tote. So when my bad spine and my shakes, it really enhances that a lot. So I'm sorry if you don't like my shakiness in my videos. There's nothing I can do about it. Get away. There's really nothing I can do about it. I could take morphine for it, but I can't do that, and I wouldn't do that because I have a responsibility to my snakes, and the last thing I want to do is be drugged up or on heavy meds to stop the shakes. I'd rather have the shakes and be alert and totally aware of everything going on around me. So I could stop them if I wanted to take the proper meds for them, but I refuse to. So I'll continue to have shakes and tremors because of my spine damage. You're so handsome. Yes, you are. You're handsome. But a lot of people notice that in my videos, my shaking. It's not bad nerves. I've got really bad upper spine damage from a bad accident. What are you doing? I bought brand new totes. I just happened to have this one close by, so I grabbed it to put them in. Hey, you gonna come out? Some nice good close-ups of Chuy. It's so perfect. I'm perfect in every way. That's my mom. They're my mom. But you know, the reptile community will never be the same again. It's really deteriorated over the last 5 years because there's so much hatred and rivalry, and it's senseless because it doesn't really have anything to do with doing education or teaching people properly about these animals. What's there to learn about them if the people that are giving them help are total jerks and assholes? I mean, how is that helping anybody? Why would they trust you with your attitude like it is? I wouldn't. You're so handsome. Yes, you are. Sorry about that. Mama shakes. The snakes are aware of it. It doesn't bother them. Ain't your handsome face. Look at that face. Oh, it's a camera. It's my new camera. Yeah. You close enough? Oh my goodness. Oh dear. So see, they do notice everything, and they especially notice something new. That's why I tell people all the time, if your snakes are restless and they're acting bored, change something in their enclosure. Give them something new to attract their attention. They notice all these things. But I had to take him out to clean his papers, so I figured, why not? He hasn't been out lately. He's been busy with Jade. So, look at that face. Just look at that face, yeah. So I'm a handsome man. Don't do that. Did I offend you? So you know I like to do things on my own, Mom. Yeah, they're used to having their freedom because I've always given it to them. So now when you try to control them, they resent it and they'll back away from you. Sometimes, not always. Depends on the mood they're in. He's just happy to be out. Hi, pal. Oh, what can I get into? Oh, gosh, I gotta find something to get into. You gotta love them. I just really wish people would stop being hateful. Get away from Chuy. I know what you'll do. You'll bop him on the nose like you did Ginger. You can't do that. Get off the lid. That beautiful face. I like that pillow. Those are pretty colors. His favorite color is red. And he notices it on everything. I would take him out, but I've got Apollo and Lily over here wanting to play. They're in one of their playful moods because they had some catnip, so I'm not going to let them get around him while they're acting foolish. For his own safety. And in the long run, probably for their own safety. Yeah, that's a corn snake's Chuy. Yeah, that's the corn snake's bud. Won't be long, you can go back outdoors. It'll be a while. Not right away. It's too cold. Won't be long, we'll be able to let you go back outside. But this is all snakes do. They just look around, explore. They don't bother anybody. Yeah, I'm just so over people that keep snakes that say they can't be calmed down, they can't be social animals. Well, maybe you should invest some time working with them if you really want to see how much they can be. You're the one that has social problems, not your snakes, because you don't want to invest any time with them. You're big. You're a big brute. Look at you. He's easy over 11 feet now. Might not be much over, but he has, and Jade's caught right up with him in size. She's the same size he is. Even width-wise, she's caught up with him. That's a big boy. And he's got such a gentle spirit and soul. He has no animosity toward anyone. He'll go to anyone that will accept him. He just loves to curl up with people and hang out with them. So he's not, he just has no bad intentions at all. I've never seen it except for when he was a young baby. Other than that, he's just marvelous. He just never stops going. He's so long. Oh, the lid fell down there. He's so handsome. Where'd that crazy kitty go? I'm gonna go get me that kitty cat. Where'd Lily go? Chuy. No, you stay over here. I'll watch you on this side where I can see what you're into. Yep. No dear. Oh dear. I just love coastal carpet pythons. If I was new in the snake hobby, and I got my first snake, and then it had been Chuy or Jade, my coastal carpets, I don't really know that I would have kept a lot of other different species of snakes because I just love them to death. I would have had one big snake room full of Morelia carpet pythons. Yeah, it's Chuy. Chuy's like, I'm not interested in you, you furball. So I ain't got no interest in you. I want to visit my mom. Yeah, but I could easily have a snake room full of carpet pythons and love every minute of it. Yeah, they are a little exceptionally nippy and defensive as babies, but geez, it doesn't take them long to get past that. What? Is that Chuy? Is Chuy out? Chuy out? Chuy thinks he's a stud now because his girlfriend was in with him. Huh, so I'm a stud. Now, hey, where are you going now? So I'm just looking everything over. That's all we do. Just curious. Aren't you so beautiful? So I'm the man. I was with my girlfriend. Now you feel really special, don't you? Yeah, look at all that aggressive behavior. Doesn't it just make you want to scream and run for cover? People are so ignorant. I'm sorry, but they are. What are you doing, buddy? My new TV. 43-incher. Yeah. Juice! What are you doing, pal? Jubert! Hey, Chew! Chewy! People say snakes can't hear. They don't know their names. That's not true. My snakes know their name. Yeah, no. I just don't understand people. You don't need to research snakes. You need to research humanity. People are more of a puzzle to me than snakes ever were. I guess that's always going to be that way, though. You're so handsome. Yes, you are. I keep my fingers off the lens. I'm learning to use my new camera and my new cell phone. The new camera is 40x zoom. It's a really beautiful camera. I can't wait to take it outside with the snakes this spring and summer. Hi, handsome. My cell phone is 12 megapixel. It's got a real nice picture, too. Always curious. Gotta be near that camera. You're such a camera hog. Perfection at its finest. You want to get on those shelves. You know better. I'm not going to let you knock all that junk down. No. Here we go. Being semi-arboreals, they love to climb. I can't count the times they pulled my curtains and my curtain rods down in my living room here around my daybed. Those are people junk food. You can't have that. That's snack food. This is just him looking around. This is what they do. That's new. That's new. Hey. So I'm more interested in getting into your junk up here on these shelves. Yeah, real vicious animals, aren't they? See me shaking? Well, I do shake, but that's not from fear of him, by no means. So I'm just trying to find something to get into, that's all. Oh, he found something he tasted on the coat. You taste jade? Yep. His girlfriend was in here. That's Chuy. You can't get up there. No, don't get on the corn snake's tank. So Mama let me look around. But you can't go over there and get behind it and get in front of the window, between the tank and the window. I have all my snake enclosures set up so they're close to a window. So they get some... No, we're not doing that either. So they get natural UVs during the day. Because that's the best thing in the world for their skin and their growth is natural UVs. It doesn't have to be direct sunlight. Daylight's just as efficient for them. But I've got every one of my enclosures set up so all my snakes get daylight and some sunlight certain times of the day. And they know when to expect it. They'll go sit right where it comes in every day at the same time and wait for it to hit their enclosures. If I found artificial light doesn't... No, you can't get up there. I know you're going to get behind that tank and I'll have to take the tank out to get you out. But look at the size of my hand next to him. That tells you anything. Two, not my toolbox. That. But artificial light really, I mean, it's functional. It works, but it's not nearly as good for him as natural light is. Hey, you. My big monster. My big monster. Yeah. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. There he goes again. Just curious. That's it. That's all they are. Just curious. What are you doing? Hey. You gonna fall out. Uh-oh. I'll put you back in your house in a few minutes. Just want to get some close-ups of him with the new camera. Quality's a lot better than my other camera was. What I got on my pants? Piece of substrate, naturally. Yeah. They just tolerate you. That's why they come out and get on you by choice. So yeah, we can't stand people, can't you tell? Hey, pal.